This is A. Malhotra. Welcome to my show, Gyan Scholars. Today we are going to discuss about a book that has been written by a budding female writer who is Aparna Joshi. The title of the book is Wit and Humor Based on Anecdotal. So let's join in Aparna Joshi.
Based on anecdotal evidence, for me was a new experience in writing. Actually, it was a new experience also with a publishing house. Like Gyan, I was very lucky to have all of you and the entire team with me actually to guide me and help me through this process, because before this I have gone in for self-publishing, and I really enjoyed the experience because it merged not only the elements of fiction, that is through the anecdotes, because these are anecdotes based on hearsay evidence, so one can only attribute that much actual value to them, as compared to also then weaving it into the larger political, social and economic context at a time.
The author of the book, Aparna Joshi, talks about the myths and tragedies attached to the historical characters of her book.
Anecdotal, I wanted to bring out the thrill and the passion that one can see reflected in some of these stories. I wanted to bring these figures out of the book back into the real world and actually have them connect with some of the concepts that young people would be very familiar with. For example, learning about the Cold War, 1960s India, and I just used all of the guidance that I have received and all these anecdotes, this wealth of anecdotes from within the family, and actually tried to write it in a manner which is more interactive, and it actually poses a few questions and gives a few answers.
This is how she replied when asked her to give some insight into her creative process.
For me, the creative process starts off quite simply. I start by planning out what I'm going to write, how I'm going to write. So I'll essentially make a framework, let's say, which would include some elements of the introduction, of the kind of chapters, how am I going to structure it, and how I'm going to conclude my piece of writing. So generally I start off by reading a little bit about what I'm going to take on in the book. For example, with anecdotal, I picked up certain books by political scientists and historians to understand the past, to understand where India has come from, to understand the idea of the journey that we have as a people traced from 1947.
Especially about the book, in the foreword, she mentioned how her grandfather has been a great motivation for her to write this book.
Well, yes, I am influenced to a great extent by both my grandfather and my mother's styles of writing. My grandfather has a very descriptive style of writing, being very accurate about facts and figures, about how things processed, and on the other hand, my mother's style of writing is a lot more conversational, a lot more interactive, with the reader, incorporating some of her personal experiences into the writing. So through based on anecdotal evidence, I have actually incorporated both of these styles of writing.
She also told us how did she deal with the sources, since many of these sources were just oral testimony.
The sense that I am extremely factual at one end, I would be giving my readers a chronology of events, what went down in that time period on the political, on the international and on the national stages, Whereas I am also bringing to light the kind of conversations, the drawing room conversation that we may have had before that anecdote is being shared with me. I am also setting the stage.
As far as the writing of this book is concerned, her experience of writing was quite challenging.
Some of the issues that I may have faced challenges, but yes, there were certain issues, especially being a young author, being someone, when I started writing, all of 18, it was a little daunting, I would say, trying to reconstruct especially historical personalities with sources, especially with sources, because the sources for this is mostly hearsay, and you know, rebuilding the factual accuracies, pinpointing certain turning points, per se, in these anecdotes.
That's it for the day. This is A. Malhotra signing off. Tomorrow we will see you again.